Utkat pashcimotta. What does it mean? It means difficult back upward pose. What are the benefits of this pose? There are several benefits. This pose actually is one of the best poses. Compared next to the twist pose, next to the shoulder stand. It meets the category of those poses. Because the benefits are several, one of them, it makes the spine flexible, it relieves the pinching of the nerves in the vertebra, it makes it flexible, it strengthens the nervous system, it also strengthens the lower part of the body very much. The knees, the legs, the nerves, and the urinary tract. And it helps actually prevent, urinary disorders. So it's very good to do this pose on a regular basis if you have such conditions. Now, the asana is also very good to remove blood acidity in the system. It surely improves the function of the organs, in the abdominal area, like liver or pancreas, and spleen. And it strengthens the muscles, the core muscles for sure. What else is there? The kidneys as well benefit a lot from it. The upper back, when you're doing into the pose, it stretches, it gives that relief as you bring your arms back and all that. It gives stretch and flexibility and strength to the body at the same time. So it's really very good pose to do. And it does. It gives a lot of benefits in terms of strengthening flexibility in the spine, strengthening the body, and the overall circulation as well. Chakras affected by this pose, surely Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, Manipura chakra, Anahata chakra, benefits a lot from this pose. What are the contraindications? If you have liver conditions, you should be mindful doing this. You may not want to do this all the time. And heart conditions, you have to avoid this asana. Of course, pregnancy, you should avoid this asana. You start the pose lying down on the floor, swinging your arms from the side up, inhaling, and you exhale, coming to sitting position, engaging your abs, core muscles. As you exhale, lengthening up first, and as you exhale, exhaling from the below the navel, closing the gap between the torso and the legs. You may try to reach your forehead to the knees or head to the knee if you're comfortable. Otherwise, just stay in a position where you're comfortable. About 8 seconds, lifting the neck up first in line with the back, and ready. Inhaling, stay lengthening up, and as you exhale, engage the abs. Back to the original position. Let's look at some variation. Lie down, supine, same, inhaling, raising the arms upward. And as you exhale, engage the abs, core muscles, and go forward. Now this time, if you need, you may use a blanket. It may be under the knee. If you need that lift, or you may not need. Or you may be putting a block or two where your head is. Holding to your toes if you can, or your legs. If this is comfortable for you, stay there. Your knee. The neck may be down if that's how it is, or it could be just straight, closing the gap. And inhale, reaching up. Exhaling, coming down. In some cases, we may need to bend the knees. Wait, some of us would prefer with the knees bent when we come up to the position. So keep the knees bent, inhaling. Exhaling, you may straighten the legs and go to the forward bending position. And inhaling, coming up, back to the original position. Or you could go to the sitting position for those of you who are doing this from a sitting position. Alternatively, a seated position may also be possible. The knees slightly bent so you do not exert the knee pressure on the kneecap if it gives pressure. So inhaling from a sitting position, exhaling. Knees can be bent. Again, up to 8 seconds or less. Inhaling, coming up, exhaling, back to sitting. Or if you want, you could go a little bit back to the forward. These are some of the variations. Please support your knees properly and back is upright so you can prevent injury from this pose. So this pose is done 8 times, 8 seconds each time. The pose was Utkat pashcimotta.